Christian, what are you making?
Pizza.
What else did you make today? You made the sauce? You made the sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm making my baby pizza by my own to eat it. All by myself.
You're gonna eat it, you promise?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna hand stretch next time, okay? I know you're just learning. But hand stretching is superior. YOLO. Small circle, small. Go to the right side. Small, small. No, you don't need more sauce. That's that's enough. Not too much. Easy, easy. Just right here. Get some here. Don't get it on the peel. The peel is the metal thing, okay? Now use the back and paint it with the back, okay? Don't push down because it's gonna stick. Don't push down, I said, Baba. Just spread it. Spread it even. Okay, go to the edges. Don't get on the metal. No. You don't need more sauce, right? No more sauce, Baba. Yeah, let's see if it's still sliding. Okay, it's still sliding. Okay, now you right here. You need some here. Okay, over there. Okay. Okay, the sauce is good. Okay, let's put the cheese. Okay. No pepperoni or Yoda. Okay. Not too much. All right, get some cheese. One big handful. Sprinkle it on. Okay. Big handful, Baba. Big. All right, spread it around. Okay. Just so you know, this is what's the best kind of mozzarella? Look at me. Whole, fat, low moisture. The brand. Good job, Baba. All right, get more here. Put some here. Hey. Paisan. Hey. Wait, no, not too high. Go a little low. All right. Okay, you want more cheese over here, or that's enough? Put a little there, a little there. Okay, I know you don't like too much toppings or anything, so we'll just put plain cheese, okay? No oregano, oil, or anything. Okay? You ready to put in the oven? Okay? What is that? Pepperoni? But you don't eat pepperoni. Alright, just put 1 or 2 pieces. Okay? Just put a couple pieces.
I want to do it.
Just put a couple pieces, okay? Because you don't eat it. Don't waste it. Just put it on half, okay? You're going to eat the pepperoni? Christian? Okay, that's good. Because you're going to eat this, right? You said? That's enough, that's enough. It's too much, it's going to get greasy. That's enough. Baba, that's enough. Let's put it in the oven, okay? Here. Come over here. No more. Watch out. Step away. Step back. Step back. Be careful. Very hot. Put it in our oven. Okay, look, Baba. Okay, slide it in. Okay, boys, be careful. It's hot. No, don't put your oven. Don't put your hand in the oven. Stand back. Stand back, young man. I know. We'll save it for the next pizza. Say, yeah, I'm gonna eat my pizza.
Yeah, eat my pizza.
Say it louder.
Yeah, eat my
Pizza time.
pizza.
Pizza time. Pizza time.
Pizza, pizza, eat pizza.
Wear your pants. Pants is piazzaiolo. Pizzaiolo. Ready, Baba? Is it ready? Stand back. Let's check it out. Wow. Just like you like it. Stand back. It's hot. Okay, watch out, watch out. Wow, look at that. How's that look?
Good.
Yummy? Now let's put it here. We'll cut it. Okay. Looking very nice. Give me a plate, Baba. Isn't it yummy, the pizza you made? You made the sauce and everything. The cheese, the sauce, and the mess.